Okay, I'm topping things off, and I have two. I have two empties and three of these refillable. They're all refillable, but these are meant to work with this. And here's the thing: somebody gave this to me, and I'm really embarrassed, but I cannot remember who it was. So I'm sorry, but thank you very much to the person who gave this to me. I'm fixing to use it right now. But I gotta go and read about this. I'm not. It comes with a key. Each one comes with a key, and I'm not sure what you're supposed to do. And it's so cold out here, my hands are shaking. And I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna read this and warm my hands up, and then I'm gonna come out, and this screws onto that, and then the bottle screws there. And then you press this, and you fill this bottle until liquid comes out somewhere. I'm not sure. So I'm fixing to go read. There's a video somewhere. I'm gonna watch that, but I'm gonna go in my shop here because I got the heater on. Be right back. Okay, I got it figured out. Just took me a second. So this connects to here. This screws into this. This little Allen screw gets backed out, and then you hold that, and the propane goes in here. And when you start seeing liquid come out, these two little weep holes there, there's one there, there's one there. What you do is you close it back up, that little Allen screw there, and then you unscrew it and cap it off. And here's the caps. They go back on like that. So let me get this set up, and I'll show you. In case I didn't show you this close enough, because it's so cold, and I'm trying to do things quickly. Flame King, and if I can find an Amazon link, I'll put a link down here. So let me get this set up. I'll be right back. All right, so now we turn the propane on. Take the key, crack this open. I'm just going to see if that's enough. And then supposedly about 45 seconds. Here we go. Oh, I can hear it. I don't know if I cracked it open enough. Yeah, it's coming out. So as soon as I see liquid, I'll shut it off. Probably shouldn't have my phone so close to it. And this is something you should do outside. It's windy, and because I can smell propane. All right. Yeah, that was easy enough. Now I'll unscrew it, and I'm going to fill all these up. These Flame King bottles have the little Allen screw there, but these don't. And I have done this before, and you just hold this, but the old style was something that screwed in here, and then you screwed the bottle sideways. So basically, when you stop hearing it transfer, it's done. All right. Good enough. All right. So thanks again to whoever sent that to me. I really appreciate it. I'm going to store these outside, and I'm going to just set them up on my toolbox there. If we get enough wind coming through here to, if one does leak, it'll blow it away. I have them sitting there. Those are for my generator back at the house. And then I'm going to take this and the other empty one and go get them filled up. That way everything I got is full. So let me get to work here. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. I'm on my way to fill up my gas tank and fill up them propane tanks, but I just want to say it's here. Boy, that's a pretty piece of wood. And then I got this and that. And the part that's not so good is these are so small that the only thing I can put these on is a dinner skinner. And you know, this is these. Look how the difference in size. You know, 3/8 of an inch easy. So, oh well, they're nice. I hated paying that much for them though, knowing that I don't get much for a dinner skinner, so that's an expensive piece of wood for something I don't sell for very much. Okay, now have a good day. I'm fixing to go top off my propane tanks, get my gas tank filled up, and tomorrow I gotta work on my dryer. The parts came in, so there's no avoiding it. I just went to Tractor Supply and I filled 2 propane tanks for 25 bucks, and that's what they want to exchange one tank, $22.